Living in an incomplete building with two babies is not easy, but we thank God anyway, because there are those that are in the streets. The other baby, we see him throughout the video, so let's get into the video. I'm in our living room. This is where we have been living since 2024 May, so we are 2 years in this house. May makes the end of 2 years in this house. I don't remember the date, but it is 2 years. You see? So this is our door. From the door, this is our living room. There is where we sit. That makes the end of our sitting room. You see that young man? He likes sitting. Then our dining is in front of me. Let me show you our. So this is our dining. You see? This is the door to the dining. Let me show you properly. You see, that is the door to our dining. It is so messed up. That is why I want to clean it with you. You see, it's such a mess. I know our dining is such a mess, but before you judge me, hear me out. Let me defend myself. So in this area, we had stored the remaining building materials here before we moved in here. They were scattered all in the living room. That was last year. That was 2024 before we moved here. They had stored them there in the living room. But after we moved in, of course, even if the building is not yet complete, you have to have a place to stay, to live, to sit, just chill. So we decided to remove the materials there and brought them to our dining. We had laid here the iron sheets. There are so many. So we had laid here the iron sheets and so ever and so ever. So after we have the materials were used like last week, they were used to build the chicken coop. We used the materials to build the chicken coop out there. So, and at least they disorganized this place. So after that, we decided to move the materials on this side. This is our kitchen. This is our kitchen. Or should I let me show you the kitchen? So this is our kitchen. So we decided to move the materials here in the kitchen. So this is our kitchen. You see the things. They were a lot that brought. So this is our kitchen. You see, that is the behind door. So we decided to move the things there and to have this place empty, at least somehow empty, because these sacks will not get out of here. They will remain here. This is charcoal. So I will try as much as I can to clean what I will and to make this place home again. It's not home yet, but it is home for us. For 2 years, we have been here for 2 years with no window panes. We use curtains, you see. No window panes. Even this one is already touching the ground. We have been here 2 years. We moved in here with this young man. He was like 8. No, because it was May. He was 6, 7, 8. He was something like 9 months when we moved in here with him, and we got a baby here this year, January 18th. We got the baby here. She's sleeping on the seat somewhere there, on the seat there. Don't know if you can see her kicking the blue thing there. Look, she is kicking. Even she might fall. No, she will not fall. She is okay, but she might fall. We got the baby here, and here is where we have been living, and we are in Kisi. The weather sometimes is cold, and this is May, rainy seasons. But they say when you live in a place, your body develops the immune to resist the weather, whatever or the condition. So they have adjusted. She's just okay, and we dress her warm. So let me go. Let us come clean this mess with you. Then we will call it a day. Clean this place, clean here. I show you the after and the before. There was chicken in that area. That is why I placed that paper cover the window because they were jumping in the dining chickens. Being a mother, and in the village for that matter, and you have not settled down yet, and you are everywhere. Everything is everywhere. So I wanted to clean up with you, but I have to bring this girl here to kiss the sun first. If I don't bring it after cleaning, the sun will be so hot for her. So I decided let her kiss the sun a little bit, then go start cleaning.
Lights dim.
Out in this living area. Let me remove all these things down, put them where they should be. You see where the baby is sleeping, so messy. Don't mind that. Is it a basket at the corner? Those are clean clothes. I placed them there before I fold. I've been so lazy of late. Let's clean that up. The girl also wants attention, and I'm tired and I'm not yet done. I'm remaining with this part here to the door. You know, I came from the farm that before cleaning, so I'm so tired. Let me give her attention. Then
Go back.
I'm done with the cleaning, though not perfect, but it is better. So I'm going to burn these. It looks like it will rain. You see? It looks like it will rain. You can see the cloud. So let's burn these. Then we call it a day. I relax a little bit. Then see if there is anything else. We have a workout there. This farm here has plantains, bananas. You see, they are sweet bananas. That one is the tallest one, but that's a shooting. See, like this one, it is shooting. Yeah, let me see. You see another one? Can you see it here, here, here? It is shooting. A lot of bananas. For staying here with me, for cleaning up my mess with me. Until we meet to the next video, stay safe. I love you. Do support me by liking this video, leaving a comment, and subscribing. Don't forget to share to all. And I almost forgot to show you the after. And I cleaned this mess with you. Oh, outside is the lighting. I have forgotten to show you the after. Let me show it to you before we say goodbye. I have tried my best. Don't mind that jerry can there. I'm getting it out in that. Is it a hoe? We call it jembe. So you see, this is our dough. We wash our hands and we drink it because I boil it before putting it in there. You see? These are books. The cement has purpose. Our baby is sleeping right there. The little man. Then this is our dining that was messy. Now at least it looks better. Like people live in there. That is molasses. This is the fertilizer. This one. And that there was the chicken food. So this corner, decided to leave it like that. And these sacks are still here. That knapsack there, the watering can. And I adjusted the curtain. You see? It is okay now. It is on a good position. It is at the good position. And like this one, it cannot cover this because this one is small. This one is big. I think this one has 4 or 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5. Jamin. Don't know. If not 4, 5. So you see, this window is large. Unlike that one is small. At least that curtain fit there. So let's call it a day. And you see, we don't have window panes. We don't. So, goodbye, friends, for now. Until next time, stay safe for me and make sure you do like my videos. Bye.